Hey, Dan!
Yeah?
I have the perfect way to start Season 3.
Yeah?
Do you want to see it?
Sure?
As you may know by now, we've untied the lines and left the boatyard in our wake. This boat is ours. The sea is ours. And although we've come so far, the real adventure has just begun. With so many steps behind us, even more lie ahead. So much to explore, to discover, to learn. With wind in our sails and a weather eye on the horizon, we sail on not knowing where our journey will end. This day, this life, this...
Kika, don't you think that's a little epic?
Yeah, but that's Season 3 premiere. It kind of has to be epic.
Well, could you tone it down a little?
Yeah, sure. So where was I? Our dreams are real. Our boat is ready. Our journey begins now.
Hold on a minute. I thought you said you were going to tone it down a little.
Yeah, but...
No buts. That was not our first sail.
Huh. Fine. As I was saying, we recently left the marina for a shakedown. And of course, you all remember Bradley. You'll be seeing a lot of him. Yep, we were all super excited to take our little Uma out to play. And then this happened.
The channel ran out of water. Right in the middle of the channel we ran out of water, and so we're sitting pretty, but the tide's still coming in significantly, and I don't know, want to bust out that beer?
Not exactly how we pictured raising the sails for the first time, but with a little bit of effort and help from the tide, we got out no problem. Motor turned off, we were ready to go sailing. For real.
As much fun as it is to just motor out to the ocean, just get it over with, there's something just awesomely fun about sailing at a knot and a half and no wind. Just yeah, we don't need it. Just wait till the tide turns and we're going out the inlet, we'll be doing 4 knots. It's a sailboat. That's the best part about a sailboat is we're in zero hurry to go anywhere ever.
We chose a really calm day for this first shakedown, and turns out it might have been a little too calm. This had to be the slowest shakedown in the history of shakedowns. Fortunately, we had no schedule.
What you doing?
I'm going to relax in my hammock.
Why?
Because we're not going anywhere.
Because there's no wind?
It's a really cool spot.
This nice day of sailing became a nice not going anywhere kind of day. So obviously, we decided to make the best of it. We also took this opportunity to take a peek at Uma's bottom. After 6 months of sitting in a nasty marina water, it was amazing to see how little growth she had. It was all soft growth and comes out really, really easily. A few hours later, the wind picked up, just in time to sail back into the inlet.
Steady, man! Hold!
Did you hear that? That's when we turn on our motor. The next day, the wind forecast was a bit more promising, so Din and I decided to take Uma out for another spin. Oh, and we learned our lesson. Avoid the north side of the channel when coming into Riverside.
Jack it up.
In the peak of the afternoon, our dear friend called us on the radio. He just couldn't pass up another fun day out on Uma. So he got off work early, and we agreed to pick him up at the nearest dock. Yeah, that's right. We did a sail-by. No motor needed. It was overall 2 great little shakedowns. And if you're wondering, we've been charging our batteries with a friend's charger at the dock. But we're excited to share with you our next step in our solar panel installment. Until then, cheers!
The cheese for the camera. Cheese for the camera.
Hi, Mom. Mama, Marcelo e Numa. Hi.